What is up? Good to see you. Just getting back in from scouting, and it went pretty well. We're about halfway through the season, so there's still plenty of time for us to get on some good hunts, and that's exactly what I'm trying to do. Speaking of being halfway through the season, I can tell I'm getting tired. Today we found some ducks on a big reservoir back in a cove. Reservoir has tons of coves on it, and we found like one little area of moist soil stuff, smartweed, where the ducks were feeding. I'm talking about this was like a 50 by 50 yard area, not very big. They were all packed in one spot, and I completely forgot to drop a pin on it. We come in the boat, could see them at the back of the cove. Now the problem is that in the morning we're gonna have like 20 to 25 mile an hour winds, and I can promise you this is not a reservoir you want to be on in 25 mile an hour winds, especially when they're coming out of the north. So we're not going to be able to boat in the morning. So I've come back, got on the computer version of onX. It's a lot more clear, and thankfully this spot had like a hill in the back of it and a few trees, a few things I could use as landmarks. And I'm actually using the 3D version of the mapping to where I can tilt and kind of see the lay of the land. And I think I found exactly where those ducks were. We'd never been to this spot before. I've never walked on it. And I also found a road I didn't know was there. It don't show up on Google Maps. It's just a little gravel road that we can park to and knock a heck of a lot off this walk in the morning. It's gonna be like a quarter mile versus like 3/4 mile that we were looking at before I knew this road existed. So we got a major cold front coming in tomorrow, really high winds. Don't know what the hide's gonna be like, don't know anything about it other than there was a lot of mallards sitting there, and honestly that's all I need to know. So we'll figure the rest out when we get in there. Another thing, I know a lot of you have been watching for a while and are not subscribed. So if you like this channel, you want to support the channel, subscribe down below. It helps me out. I greatly appreciate it. Time. We're out here this morning. We're just standing on these little old hedgerows. It's working better than I thought. It's pretty thin out here, as you can see. And we're just working right now, thankfully. Lord's blessed us these past few days, so we're gonna keep trying to hang with it. These ducks have been sitting on the edge of this grass. We just got our decoys right out here in front of us. We're gonna see what happens. Ah, dang! Nice! I missed him, but Todd dusted him. Boy, the wind is whipping this morning, boys. She's blowing every bit of 25. Todd's got him a raft of ducks down here. Todd needs one more, and he'll be done. Yeah, I like this little spot.
See, it's great.
It's pretty.
Yeah, it really is a perfect spot to do it. I mean, you could get in here if you had a little time. Pick up some of that driftwood and stick it in the ground.
Yeah.
And make some backing.
Yeah.
And you got enough front, you can hide behind a tree.
Where you been?
I was standing right here to begin with, and I don't think they're seeing me at all because I just feel like it's like something about sitting in there. But the hole, there's a mud hole near about knee deep right there now.
Yeah.
So I moved down to that little group of trees so I could get behind something.
Yeah, I've been kind of staying to the back side of one of them biggers, like on the bottom.
Yeah.
I don't think they're seeing us. I mean, one group or two did, but.
Yeah.
You got him? I think the wind carried that shot.
Yeah, that was great.
This is our spread. Just got some of it up in the thick. If they were, probably, you would do better having it more in the thick, but there's some ducks running up this creek, so we're trying to be a little bit visible. But here lately, I've been liking to go with the hide your decoys and not let them really see fully what's going on. Boys, the wind is freaking rolling, buddy. I guarantee you she's blowing every bit of 25 or 30. But these are my favorite conditions. Freaking turtle shell up in this tree. Check that out, that's pretty cool. We're gonna dub it the turtle hole. This duck's got a white curlicue.
Oh, look at that, dude.
That's freaking sweet.
Oh, you gotta save that.
Oh, 100%.
That's beautiful.
I've been doing it a long time. I ain't never seen one like that.
Little things, right?
That's cool, dude.
That's super cool.
Snow
Like
tip.
that, right?
Yeah. If his whole back end was frosted, I'd mount him. Yeah! You better get on him. Whew.
That's what I'm talking about, baby.
Got it done.
What a fun morning.
We had some land while we were getting situated, but I need 2 more. Todd's done. I'm gonna ease down to Todd's spot. He seemed to be doing pretty good down there. The ducks kind of are wanting to stay on the outside of the decoy, so. Well, I may have doubled. Yep, he fell dead as a hammer. The wind current's so strong it almost knocked you off your feet. I shot him way down there to the trees. 2 drakes to finish it off on an awesome day.